Hey guys, before my dad starts this video, don't forget to smash that like button
and subscribe
and hit that notification bell
so that way you can be notified to see the new video.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kerry Too Smooth. So today, I wanted to do this cover of Bruno Mars' Millionaire. I think it's a really good song, especially if you're trying to learn how to play on acoustic. It can be like a fun-loving song, but it can be a little challenging for some of this stuff. So I just wanted to walk you through it, and let's jump right in. So let's just do this. All right, so let's check it out. So here we go. I'm going to play it through so you can hear it, and then we're going to go and kind of dive in and show you what I'm doing.
I wanna be a billionaire so fucking bad. Buy all of the things I never had.
So we're going to start out with that A major. Then we're going to go to that C7. Sorry, C sharp 7. That F sharp minor 7. Like straight E major. There's that.
Smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time
So right here we're going to go. So, and occasionally I will go between the numbers and the actual chords. So if you're not familiar and that well versed with the number system, I highly suggest that you go check out Kerry's camp and really put your hands in the number system, because I will bounce between the both of those two. So we're going to go for that 5, that 4, 5, 6 in this particular section. This is where it gets kind of like a tricky walk down. So I look at it as if I'm playing that F sharp minor 7 shape, but with my pinky I'm going to walk down the bass line. That's where I'm going to stop at today. So you're going to hear that change.
close my eyes, I see my name in shining light. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire.
So that's where I want to stop at. That's where I want you to focus in on today. That's all that we're going to cover. So we're just doing the first 45 seconds. So I want you to understand that that's all that we're focusing on today. I'm not doing the whole song. I just want to show you a snippet of how you can, even in your own practice time, if you want to work on that whole like kind of reggae feel, reggae kind of like bounce. This is a great song for you to work on. And also too, like if you're playing acoustic and you're just like, I want to play something on acoustic that's really fun, light-hearted kind of fun. This is a great song. And if you want to go to that change, that walk down is going to be really good. Even as its own practice entity by itself, that walk down. That little lick. That's all off of that F sharp minor pentatonic. So cool. So that's Billionaire. I keep saying millionaire. That's Billionaire. Okay. It's Travie, McCoy featuring Bruno Mars. Okay. It's a great lesson. It's a great thing for you to kind of get your hands underneath, especially if you're learning how to play acoustic. This is the great song for you. Also, if you're not well versed in the number system, I highly suggest that you go check out kerryscamp.com. We've got everything that you need. If you want to learn acoustic stuff, R&B stuff, or if you just want to learn, I want to learn the general knowledge of how to play R&B, or I want to learn how to play gospel, I mean, Kerry's Camp is a place for you, so just definitely check it out. I know it's going to definitely be a great benefit to you and help you grow in